Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 2214 at St. Giles Boulevard, Kuala Lumpur. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the back of the door with the floor plan. To the left, as you enter the room, we have the wardrobe, or rather the wardrobe door, which is also a very large mirror. Hello. So it is actually just one sliding door for the whole wardrobe area. On the left side, we have a weighing scale below, bathrobes, hangers, an extra pillow right above, place to hang items on. We have the ironing board right there. And sliding this over, on the right part of the wardrobe area, we have bedroom slippers below, in-room safe, drawers for storage. We have the iron right there, laundry stuff, hair dryer, and we have more hanging space right above and more storage as well. Opposite the wardrobe area, we have the bathroom door. To the left of the bathroom, we have the shower area. It is a dual shower setup, so you have the rain shower as well as the handheld shower. Straight on, as you enter the bathroom, is the sink with towels, glasses, soap, all the bathroom amenities. We have the bin down there with the toilet, the bath mat, a spray, obviously the toilet paper, towels are right there. Oh, and I forgot to mention, to the right as you enter the room, we have light switches, do not disturb and make up room switches, a slot to insert a key card for the room's power, together with the climate control panel. And this is the view that you get as you enter the room. Down there we have a power outlet. And right here we have the fridge. It is an empty fridge, so you can put your own items in there. We have tea and coffee making stuff right there, together with the kettle, empty bottles, and there's actually a water dispenser right in the corridor where you can refill water as you wish. We have also glasses, mugs, power outlets, a light switch, a message from the hotel. And right here we have the connecting room door, place to put your luggage. And here we have the bed. On the right bedside table we have storage, light switches, power outlet, couple of USB-A ports, a light. There's another light strip behind the headboard. And on the left bedside table, we have more storage, the TV remote, a box of tissues, more light switches, another power outlet, and another 2 USB-A ports, together with the same light design as on the right side. Artwork right there. And right there, we have a flat screen LG TV. A bin down there, desk area, with the desk chair, in-room telephone, another message from the hotel regarding the sahur times. We have writing materials right there, another light switch, another power outlet, and that is the telephone port thing. Okay, As for the view, we have the buildings next to the hotel. We also have more buildings right there in the distance, as well as right there. We also have the road that is in front of the hotel. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 2214 at St. Giles Boulevard, Kuala Lumpur. Thanks for watching and goodbye.